Mayong adlaw, mabuhay ug madayaw from Davao City with love. And of course, I am so honored to be interviewing with one of the former child stars, of course, from Showtime, who is now involved in this non-government organization. And so, of course, let's all welcome Shamara Sofia Sia Vigor. Hello!
Thank you. Hi everyone. Thank you po for having me here sa show niyo.
Yes, okay. So it's my first time to be seeing you in person po. I've been watching you since yung kay Sia and Quace.
Oh, thank you po.
Okay, so I would like to ask, kumusta naman after Showtime? Ano ba yung nangyari sa buhay natin po?
Nasa under Viva na po ako ngayon. And after po ng Showtime, nag-teleserye po ako nun. And then, nung nag-pandemic po, umuwi po ako ng province. Tapos, bumalik po ako ngayon po. Nasa showbiz na po ako ulit. I'm doing movies with Viva. And currently sa TV5, I have a teleserye po called Para sa Isa't Isa. You guys can watch that every Saturday sa TV5.
Yes. Now, you've been involved dito sa Light the World Christmas Giving for Charity. But could you explain the feeling kung ano ba yung naranasan na to give back to those na yung mga chosen beneficiaries po?
Yes, every Light the World, iba-iba yung mga beneficiaries na we partner up with para maraming ma-benefit. Like, merong for children, tapos sa mga communities, iba-iba yun eh. May mga prosthetic legs or mga school fees, iba-iba may kita nyo sa giving machine. It ranges from 50 pesos to 1,000 pesos. And sobrang grateful ako maging part ng Light the World kasi sobrang maganda yung cause nito and hindi ka mag-worry na, di ba sometimes when you donate to charity, hindi mo alam kung napupunta talaga yung pera mo sa kung sino yung gusto mong tulungan. Pero with Light the World giving machines, 100% of your donations goes to our partner beneficiaries. And pero this Christmas, lagi namin siyang Christmas ginagawa para maraming nabibless for Christmas season and for New Year. So, yeah.
Yes. So, how do you balance syempre, your personal life and especially sa showbiz and especially din yung kawang gawa din po?
Ano bang kawang gawa?
Give back, charity.
Charity. Para sa akin naman, it's easy to balance everything if you really like what you're doing. And sa showbiz, I really do enjoy pagka nasa TV ako, nag-acting. Passion ko talaga yun. Pero when it comes to my personal life, syempre, I'm just a normal girl then who goes to school and I focus on myself. Like, I do stuff that makes me happy, like instruments or studying different things, learning languages, yung mga hobbies ko. And meditation to calm myself, or yun yung pinaka-relax ko outside my showbiz life. And with charity naman, I've been doing charity since I was 5 years old with different organizations. And it's something that I love doing kasi especially I'm part of showbiz, so meron akong voice. I have social medias to promote these charities even more. And that's one of my purpose why I really like to be part of charity organizations kasi with the platform that I have, mas spread ko yung mga words then to other people and hopefully to inspire younger people then to do the same and to be aware with the things sa mga nangyayari, mga nagsusuffering na mga tao or people in need that we get to help those people.
Yes. Would you like to invite, of course, sa mga viewers to donate na po doon sa Light the World dito sa Abrisa, Davao?
I'm inviting everyone to visit our Light the World giving machine sa Abrisa Ayala Mall, Davao. And you can see our giving machine sa 3rd floor expansion wing. Let's all be a light this Christmas. And sana marami tayong mapasaya ngayong Pasko, mga bata, families, communities, and mga mabubuting puso po dyan, please help us and donate kahit 50 pesos lang. Malaki po yung magiging impact nun sa life sa mga matutulungan.
Yes. And last on my end, how do you find Davao City with the several times you visited po?
I love Davao kasi ang babait ng mga tao dito. Ang ganda ng Davao, parang sobrang well-maintained yung city nyo. And I would always want to be back here every year for Light the World. And yeah, nag-enjoy ako sa Davao.
Wala, thank you po. See ya.
Thank you.
Spygor,
Thank
and
you.
it's nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you.